Sandpiper is pleased to introduce the 2-inch non-metallic heavy-duty flap valve pump designed to excel in the toughest of applications. Connection flexibility is provided through threaded or flanged porting options. Ideal for rough and difficult environments, the HD20F can pump through solids and corrosive fluids while being easy to maintain and transport, eliminating common problems that can face any application. Built with a high-quality polypropylene, the unit is robust yet portable. Designed with mobility in mind, it has been engineered specifically for mining, chemical, utility, rental, and industrial applications. With easily accessible flap valves and Sandpiper's exclusive air valve design, service is possible without removing the pump from its installed location. The pump is designed to provide stable support and use in all corrosive and aggressive environments. The threaded version features stainless steel mounting feet, and the flanged version features polypropylene mounting feet. Sturdy stainless steel hanging brackets are located at the top of the pump, providing added flexibility with pump position and mobility. This versatility allows the pump to work within a full spectrum of applications. In compliance with multiple industry safety standards, the pump has no exposed aluminum. This non-metallic housing is corrosion-resistant, allowing the handling of chemicals, acids, and caustics. With reinforced air and liquid connections, damage is eliminated during pump installation. The 2-inch non-metallic pump exhibits superior performance and usability over competitor pumps. To assist further with solid and slurry handling, the ports are configured top suction, bottom discharge so that particulates can't settle inside the inner chambers of the pump, thereby providing typically longer service life. As with all of Sandpiper's products, the pump demonstrates industry-leading flow rates, suction lift, air consumption, and displacement per stroke. Through its comprehensive design, maintenance and downtime have been greatly reduced. As a result of the signature externally serviceable air distribution system, consistent operation is possible with poor supply air quality, while maintenance remains easy because pump disassembly is not required for inspection of these air valves. Additionally, downtime is reduced with externally accessible flap valve modules. Removal of a minimal number of fasteners provides access for inspection and cleaning of the flaps. Through its classic engineered design, the product has similar airside kits with the Sandpiper S20 non-metallic pump to provide lower inventory costs and proven reliability with overlapping parts for plates, air valves, and more. To configure custom options, please contact our applications engineering team. For over 50 years, Sandpiper has created and optimized the flap valve design. The innovation and inspiration found in the first top suction, bottom discharge flap valve pump continues with the 2-inch non-metallic flap valve of today, extending the Sandpiper flap valve product range.